For demonstration reasons, I've already done a single crochet across the chain so that I could have a nice clean row to show you how to single crochet. Now when you start a row or round, you always have to chain 1 unless the pattern states otherwise. And your first stitch is immediately down in the same area that it's coming out of. And that's, so to single crochet you go into both of the strands. Okay, so both of the strands equals 1 stitch. So you see how there's a V area here? That is considered 1 stitch when you go into both. Wrap the hook and pull through, and then yarning over and pulling through 2. That is a single crochet. Let's try again. So go to the next stitch, in, pull through 2, and you're done. In, pull through 2, and done. And continue all the way down your row just like that. So in, pull through 2. Just like you see. And you're gonna go into the final stitch just like you see on the end of a row or a round, and you'll begin again. So you can just turn around, and to begin a new row again, chain 1, go into the first one, pull through 2. This is how to do single crochet, and I'm gonna move along in the series today. This is single crochet.